next one's almost a figure 8 bob and weave. So we'll go through the 2 cones, then so we go through the 2 cones, we'll come out, we'll pass this cone here, go around this way, go to the next cone. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna do the first ride on this. I'm going too far. Whew. Whew. Here we go. I want it again. I feel like I can get it better. Turn that head, turn that head, turn that head. Here we go. Woo-hoo. It's really the head turning that gets you there. Put that chin on that shoulder. Oh yeah, baby, that makes it so much easier. Put that chin on that shoulder. Boom, 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 boom. Let me tighten them up. Let me tighten them up. Woo, I'm fully locked on them bars, baby. All right, so now bob and weave, here we go. Nice dip, feathering that back brake, boom, rocking the bike, swinging the bike, baby, swinging it, boom. I'm just talking to myself.
Make sure you tell them to take Dramamine when they watch this video. If I watch it, I'll be like this. I'm seasick.
Christian said, be sure and take some Dramamine before watching this video because it could possibly make you seasick. I don't know. Uh-oh, we got a neighbor coming over. She's gonna say these Harleys are too loud. Here we go.
How you doing?
Good.
You liking it?
Yeah, I am. I like this one the best for some reason. Full lock. Oh, touch. Full lock. Woohoo! All right, so watch this gentleman right here in front of me on this black Road Glide. He's got it down, baby. Look at that. Beautiful. Just bringing that head around. One smooth motion. Look at that. Oh, he's good. Oh, hold on to that. Oh, he's good. Oh, hold on to that. Oh, he's good. Oh, hold on. You all right? You get the ankle? Hey, get on this side right here. Not yet. Okay, ready?
There you go. Grab all the hard parts.
All right.
Good? I didn't see it. What happened? Too slow? Look over there. Yeah, I saw the foot.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Did you get the primary at all? Oh, right there. Oh. Yeah, I'm about, I'll have to look, but I'm about 100% positive I got the whole thing. Because I was looking right at him when it happened. Okay, so we had a little accident. I'll have to look at the footage exactly what happened, but so this is what he thinks happened. He put his foot down. He said he went back up, brought his foot back up, and then it started to go over a little bit again, and he said he just didn't have any support on his foot at that point and he fell over. I recall him putting his foot down, and that was, he was bringing his foot up. I thought he got hung under something. He couldn't completely bring it straight up, and he went back down. So we'll see what the tape shows.
Is it on?
It's on. You push the back. Got it, baby. I'm gonna do it again. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's episode, part 2 of Slow Ride Motorcycle Skills. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and become a part of the OMG Nation. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.